Have you ever wondered how the Amish preserve fruits naturally without sugar or modern chemicals? In today's video, we'll reveal their centuries-old techniques for keeping fruits fresh, healthy, and flavorful. One of the Amish's go-to methods is dehydration. Fruits like apples, peaches, and berries are sliced thin and dried using natural sunlight or simple drying racks. Unlike modern dehydrators, the Amish rely on warm, dry air and good ventilation. This technique keeps the fruit's nutrients intact while extending shelf life. Fermentation is another ancient method. Fruits like apples are turned into cider or vinegar. This process involves natural bacteria converting sugars into alcohol or acid, creating a long-lasting and healthy product. Bonus fermented fruits are great for gut health. Amish families also use water bath canning to preserve fruits without sugar. They carefully prepare fruits like peaches or pears in water or natural fruit juice. These are sealed in jars and boiled to create a vacuum, locking in freshness for months. Want more natural living tips and Amish-inspired ideas? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let us know in the comments. Which preservation method would you like to try? Thanks for watching.